Hey guys, namaste and welcome back to my channel. This is Anjali Kriplani, career counselor and career coach. Are you a person who got less than 80 percentile in CAT this year? Hang on till the end, this video is for you. The very first alternative that students have in their hand is taking the drop. If you are thinking the same and you want to taste time ABC anyhow and think that by taking the drop you will be above the 7 wonders of the world by the very next year, hang on. Before taking this decision, analyze the two very basic questions by yourself that I am going to ask right now. The very first, can you justify your gap to the interviewer? See, it is not necessary for you to work full-time during your job. But if you don't want to, do not. But I would advise you to work in any of the company as a part-time research intern analyst, or you can also join a part-time NGO as well. And if none of the above options work for you, then join as a CAT faculty in any of the coaching, big or small, doesn't matter. And believe me, this is going to be your best ever decision and you are going to thank me for that. You're welcome. See, CAT is not something that requires around 12 to 15 hours of study. No, even 5 to 6 hours of consistent study will help you win the battle of IIMs. If you think that you cannot manage job and CAT together, it's okay, take the year drop, but at least just don't sit idle and do something to prove that you weren't just preparing for CAT. And question number 2, 1 year work ex versus 1 year drop, which one could prove better to you, which one could prove beneficial to you? I hope you are going to analyze these two questions, and analyze karna is not something that you have to, many of the people do call their friends, hey, I want to know कि मैं किस चीज में अच्छा हूँ, मुझे बताओ यार मैं क्या करूँ. No, it is not something like that. Analyze means go, shut the door of your room, sit, take the pen and paper in your hand and write down as many questions that you can ask with yourself and answer these questions by yourself. It is a bit of the typical work, but I am sure that this is going to help you, not others, not any of the other option, because it is you who know yourself best, not anyone else. Alright guys, so moving forward to the next alternative that students have is job. If you have a job in your hand, then you might want to grab it and prepare for CAT simultaneously, and believe me, this is going to work based on 3 ifs. The very first, if you are a dedicated student. Second, if you are a very good strategist and planner. Now the second point is a must-have point, and if you do not have it, you will be a mess. See, once you have to do more than one task in a day, you have to learn this skill. And in order to learn this skill, you don't have to go to any YouTube videos or any organization. No. If you are at your home, you can learn this. Just observe your mother one single day, from morning to night, very keenly with all the fine details, and believe me, you are going to learn this skill. And not only just strategizing and planning, but also how to manage yourself, how to work, how to manage the time, how to manage the work, how to prioritize. All these things you are going to learn just by observing your mother. These are very simple things, and you can learn it from your home only if you have a good observational skills. The very third, a belief in you. After all, you are going to join a management institute, and how good the interviewer will think of you if you cannot manage one exam along with your course or job, right? Are you guys tired of listening? If yes, then you can please have a look at my background and you can praise it in the comment section, because it took me almost 1.5 hours to create this background, to add the beauty and color and the calmness in this video. And also to praise the painting as well. Now this painting is being gifted by one of my best friends, so thanks to her for gifting me this beautiful painting that has added so much color to my video. Coming back to the topic, there are more than 2.5 lakh candidates who appear for CAT every year, competing for just 20,000 seats considering top 30 colleges. So the ratio comes out to be 1:12. Being on a very practical side, not everybody can win this battle, or not everybody can get into it, right? So now what? Those who haven't, for them, life is done, chapter closed? No, not all the doors are closed. Opportunities are always open. One such door is known as EMBA. EMBA stands for Executive MBA. It is for those professionals who have minimum 5 years of work experience in the functional management and want to upgrade their skills with their career profile. So this program will enable them to grab higher packages with a good career profile. Now this program also have people who have a rich work experience of around 15 to 20 years. So if you want to build a good networking and want to have a quality in your networking, then this program could be for you. You can check out at shiksha.com website as well. This program is available in two options, full-time and part-time. People who cannot forego their regular paycheck for a year or so, for them, the weekend classes are also available. So that's it guys. I hope the video was valuable to you. In case of any concern or queries, please do write us down in the at the mail ID which is mentioned at the bottom of the screen. Also, you can leave the comments in the comment section. Please do drop your suggestions on what kind of video you want to know and hear more. Thank you so much. Namaste.